In this video, we're gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on POCO X8 Pro. So let's give it a try. So over here we have our sensor, and this is optical display fingerprint sensor. So compared to the ultrasonic one, unfortunately, simple tapping does not work. We actually have to touch and hold for some time. For how long we have to hold, sorry? Well, we have to hold for like, I would say quarter of a second, something like that. So it's not a lot of time that we have to, of course, hold our finger on the sensor. It's still pretty fast, despite the fact that this is not ultrasonic sensor, unlike the Pro Max model. So in here we have to hold it, but as you can see, it doesn't take long to unlock the phone. There we go. The animation is quite smooth as well. There are no issues whatsoever. So I think it is pretty fast. Now, of course, we're gonna also try the sensor when the screen is locked, and if you lock the phone, then you will see that over here we still have the sensor visible, so you can still use it pretty much instantly. So the speed of that sensor is, I think, identical to the one that we have on the lock screen. So as long as the sensor is visible on your phone, you should be able to quickly unlock the phone if you decide to use the fingerprint sensor. Of course, it is going to be slightly different when the sensor is not visible, when the sensor is put to sleep. There we go. As you can see now, the sensor is gone. So now if I try to hold my finger for the same amount of time that I did when the sensor was visible, so on the lock screen, for example, then in this case, it is not going to work. As you can see, the sensor wakes up. It tries to read my fingerprint, but it is not fast enough and it doesn't recognize it completely. It sees that something is going on, that it should be woken up, but it's not fast enough. It doesn't react too quickly. So if you hold for the same amount of time, it is not going to work. It will be you will be trying to unlock the phone so quickly. You have to hold for a little bit more, for a little bit longer. And this is nothing unusual. This is how it is with fingerprint sensors, on especially optical ones. When the sensor is off, then of course it needs some time to wake up and start working. This is the same thing in here, and as a result we have to hold our finger for a little bit more time. It is still not a very long time. It's not like we have to hold for like 10 seconds or anything like that, of course, but still, it is definitely noticeably slower. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. And of course, most of the time you want to probably unlock your phone even without having to go to the lock screen. So of course it is possible to do so, but you have to hold for just a little bit longer. I would say it's up to a second or so. And that is pretty much it. I would say that the fingerprint sensor, in the case of speed, it's still pretty fast. It's an optical sensor, so it's not the fastest possible, but it is still pretty fast. The fact that we don't have to hold our finger for even half a second, I would say, on the lock screen, it's a great news for those who really like fast fingerprint sensors. But if you're looking for even faster fingerprint sensor with similar, of course, in similar price and similar model, then the Pro Max model is going to be definitely better, simply because the Pro Max model has the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, so it is going to be definitely faster than that. But that is only if you truly care about that speed. Other than that, I am pretty happy with that result. I think it's pretty fast. There is not much to complain about. I think it's a very good optical fingerprint sensor. Leave a like and subscribe.